So first of all, this is the Razr 40 Ultra, and unlike the other flip phones that you have seen in the market, the Flip 4 and the Oppo Find N2 Flip, this has the largest screen out of them all, 3.6 inch on the outside as you can see, and my oh my, it's a 144 Hz panel, not a 60 Hz, not 120 Hz. 144 Hz 10-bit AMOLED panel, and Motorola is boasting that you can play like games on this, play videos on this, run apps, almost every other app that you can find on the Play Store, you can run over here. So of course the key highlight is this big screen, and this is a great screen by the way. So you can also see there are two cameras over here, two rear cameras, which you can also, if you click someone's photo, they can see their own image over here. I'll quickly give you a demo of this, and I'll have to, okay, my Manmeet is live on the cover screen of the Moto Edge 40 Ultra. So you can use the rear camera for them, you can use the rear camera for yourself. I can click my selfie right now, I'll quickly show you. So that's one of the key features. I think no phone does this better, no other flip phone does it better. Other than this, coming on the inside, 165 Hz panel, this is a 6.9 inch display, tall. It's a tall display actually, and you're getting AMOLED display, 10-bit colors, of course, top of the line hardware, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset under the hood, up to 8 GB RAM, LPDDR5 RAM, 256 GB storage, UFS 3.1 storage. Now the battery that you're getting here is a 3800 mAh battery. It's smaller than the one that you get on the Razr 40. It's a 4200. I'm just going to talk about that in a bit. But over here you are still getting fast wired charging, 33 watt fast charging, 5 watt wireless charging. So wireless charging support is also there. And of course, there's this gapless design. As you can see, there's no gap in between. So Motorola is packing quite a lot with the 40 Ultra, I have to say. But yes, these are just the first impressions, guys. And first impressions, look wise, handling wise, it feels premium, it feels good. Pricing is right, I'll talk about the pricing also. But we'll have to, wait for the full review. I'll test this out and then I'll give you my final word on this. Now the other phone, it's the Razr 40. Razr 40 is a trimmed down version. I don't have it with me right now, but I'm sure Manmeet will roll the footage that he has shot, the B-rolls. So it has a smaller display over here, small cover display on the outside. It's a 60 Hz panel, doesn't do much, but the price is also low on that phone. That phone has a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor under the hood, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB storage. That's a trimmed down version, you can see, of the Razr 40 Ultra, even in price. So pricing wise, the 40 Ultra costs 89,999 rupees. With instant discount, 7,000 rupees off, you can get this for 82,999, while the Razr 40 costs 59,999, and there's a 5,000 instant discount. You can get that for about 55,000, 54,999. So pricing wise, I think so they have done very good with the Razr 40 series. The Razr 40, I think that they could have used a better chipset, maybe a newer age chipset like the 7 Plus Gen 2 instead of the 7 Gen 1. But of course, we'll have to test it out fully to, reach to conclusions. But of course, these were my first impressions of the Razr 40 Ultra and the Moto Razr 40. What are your thoughts? You just had your first look. Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Till then, thank you for watching.